Hello traders, I welcome you to Happy Traders Zone. So in this video we are going to analyze about the Nifty 50 index as well as the Bank Nifty index. And before getting into this video, please do follow us on YouTube as well as in our Telegram channel. So come now, let us start analyzing the index now. Okay, first of all I will draw the support and resistance for the Nifty. So here we have some support. Okay. So if you see here, this is what the floor concept. Here we have a bottom floor, and here we have a upper floor. So consider this as the ground floor and this as the first floor. So Nifty is traveling in between these floors. Now let me remove this floors. Yeah. Now let us move on to the trend lines. As I'm a big fan of a trend line, I don't most of the time I don't respect the horizontal support and resistance, but I respect the vertical support and resistance, which is the trend lines. Yeah. So if you see here we have a which kind of a pattern, and the Nifty is traveling in this pattern, and here we have one breakdown. So it's a fake out, and again here we have one breakout, and it take a retracement and went very good, and further it again start to respect to travel within this wedge pattern. Okay. Okay. So if you see here, so whenever the Nifty comes to this level, we are getting a pullback, and whenever going nearby this level, we having a return to this area. So I consider this zone as the no trade zone. Otherwise, if the Nifty is at this level around 16,800 to 16,900, so we can make a swing trade. We can make a long entry on any of these stocks. And if the Nifty is approaching around 17,300 or 400, sorry, 17,700 or 800, so we will be exiting our positions. Okay. And let me move on to the 1 hour time frame now. Sorry, 4 hours time frame. Okay. So if we see in 4 hours time frame, so Nifty is respecting this counter trend line. I'm just going with the red color. Okay, yeah, perfect. Yeah. And here we have a bottom counter trend line. So here we don't have a perfect one, so I'm just adjusting this. Yeah, now we have. Okay, so currently the Nifty is traveling in this falling wedge pattern. So whenever there is a dip around 16,800 or 16,600, we can make a long entry. So currently, if you see here, what type of candle pattern has been formed here? So in the day time frame, if we see, so from resistance, so we don't have the enormous fuel to go further up. And today, if we see here we have one selling pressure candle. So there is a gap down, and post that we having a fully bullish, and the bullish showed their power till this level, and after that at the close of the section, so we have a complete supply. So complete selling has been done, and I consider there is a gap down, and post gap down we having a first one is there is a gap down which is a bearish sign, and again we have a very good sign of bullishness, but at the end of the section finally the close is not that attractive. Here we having a still we having the pressure, so selling pressure. So here we have a very good selling pressure. So in the next week I expect the Nifty to come till 17,800. So that's what my anticipation on the Nifty. And for the intraday traders, I will bring you to the 15 minutes time frame now. So currently Nifty is following this band, sorry, this pattern, which is a triangle pattern. Yeah, perfect. So currently Nifty is for traveling in this pattern. So whenever there is a breakout out of this pattern, so we can make a long or short entry. So since we will be going with the options, so either we can make a PE or CE. If there is a breakout here, so don't make any entry over here. If there is if there is a breakout above this level, in that case we can make a entry. So the above level should has to be this one. If there is any one 15 minutes candle close done above 14,000 17,400, so you can make a you can buy the 17,400 call, and with the target of up to this level some 200 points. If Nifty moves, you can make a you can book the profit in a Nifty call option. And in case if there is a breakdown, if any one 15 minutes candle close has been done below this level, you can have the target of till this level. And this is a very powerful zone, and a high expect. So post Nifty is touching this level, we will be having some so pullback. Okay. So that's all my anticipation for the intraday traders as well as for the swing traders on the Nifty. So we need to be little cautious. So till the Nifty is breakout of this level or breakdown of this level. Why? Because if a breakdown has been done means we can expect the Nifty to go till this level, which is around 16,000. This is the level which I have been expecting for a longer period. And once the Nifty comes to this level, I will be making some one part of my investment will be added into this 16,000 levels. So now let me move on to the Bank Nifty, guys. So Bank Nifty would be most favorite one for every traders, especially for the F&O traders. Okay, I'm just removing the existing lines. Perfect. Okay. So if we see, so Bank Nifty is taking a resistance at this trend line. One, two, three, four resistance has been taken, and in the bottom side, if we draw the resistance, sorry, the support has been already taken. Okay, so this is the support, and the support has been already taken. So again, there is a fake out, and post this fake out on 14th February, which is a Monday. Again, there is a pullback, and the close has been done inside the inside the wedge pattern, so rising wedge pattern, and there is no further bullishness. So the Bank Nifty has been again came outside of this trend line. And the thing is, if we see here, there is a very good gap down, but further that we having a bullishness, which is from 13 37,000, sorry, 37,340 to 37,830, around 500 point has been moved. And again, so the bearishness has been shown here, and there is a close. So this is the range of today's candle. In that range, the candle close is below 75%, which I don't consider as the bullishness. So any candle close above 75%, it's a strong sign. If we see here, we have a total range from bottom to this level. The candle body would be more than 75%. So it's a strong bearishness, and it's a strong bearishness. It's a strong bullishness. It's a okay. It's a okayish bearish candle, but this one is not a okayish bullish candle. Okay. So I expect the Bank Nifty to travel in next week as a higher potential to go till this level, 36,700 levels. So okay, now let us move on to the lower time frame and just move on to the 15 minutes. Okay, and just move on to the 1 hour time frame. Perfect. So here we having a trend line resistance where the bank nifty is taking a very good resistance at this level. I also have one more minor trend line. Perfect. So if there is a breakout of this trend line, so don't make any entry. If there is a breakout of this level around 37,800, so if any one 15 minutes candle close has been done, we can make a long entry and wait for the target of till this level. This blue line extension will be the target, guys, and it will be around okay, tomorrow. This is what the tomorrow's zone. Okay, it has potential till 38,000. If there is a breakout of this level, 37,800, we can expect a 38,000, 37,800, and we can expect some 300 points, I think. Let me go with the measure. Yeah, some 350 points we can expect in the bank nifty. Okay, and for these for the support side, let me draw. Yes, sir. Yeah. So this one would be a very good support level. But if there is in any one 15 minutes candle close has been done, so I don't believe so it will be as a very powerful breakdown. But in case if there is a bank nifty is in a gap down, and if it is going in the upside direction, you can wait and you can take your the short position. I mean the you can buy the PE on this level. If there is any rejection at this level around 37,500, you can make a short I mean the you can buy the PE. Okay, if you are buying a PE, if there is any breakdown and if bank nifty is taking the resistance at this level, you can have the target. Okay, so till this level you can have. So as a first target you can have this one, and as a second target you can have till this level. Okay, so the case should be break. I mean a gap down, further going up, taking the strong resistance and any one. So bearish candle formation. Post that you can make a you can buy the 37,400 PE, so that it has potential to come till this level. If there is a breakout of above this level, which is 37,800, you are going to buy the 37,800 call, and for the target of around some 300 points. So since market is highly volatile, don't wait for the entire target. So once 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 1.25 has been achieved, you can book 50% of your profit, guys. So that's what the intraday trading options trade options for Nifty and Bank Nifty on Monday. And let me move on to the daily time frame to understand the Bank Nifty for. Okay, so if there is another one some one day candle close has been done above this level, suppose that the Bank Nifty will be in a uptrend, guys, and further breakout of this resistance line, the Bank Nifty will be in a very good super bullish. And if you see here, still Bank Nifty is making a higher high. If you see here, here we have some, here we have a low, and here we have a higher low, and here we have a higher low, here we have a higher low, here we have a higher low. If any stock or any technical chart which forms the higher low, which shows the bullishness. But from the opposite direction, if you see here we have a high, here we have a higher lower high, here we have a lower high. So from the top side, we are the Bank Nifty is making the lower high, and from the bottom side, it's making the higher high. So if there is any one high or any one low has been taken, we expect the Bank Nifty to travel further in that direction. So which means, so this one would be a very good level. So currently the Bank Nifty will be trading around this range. So that's how I have been said, like if there is one 15 minutes candle close done, we can expect the target of this area, which is 37,300. Okay, guys, so that's all analysis for the Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. and we will be discussing more onto the technical and more educational content as well as the breakout stocks in upcoming days. So please do follow us on Telegram and YouTube. Also subscribe our YouTube channel to get updates, to get the timely updates, guys. Yeah. So thank you. Have a nice weekend. Bye. Happy trading.